Hello and welcome to Astro Academia, where we explore the wonders of space and the technology that makes exploration possible. Have you ever wondered what is the difference between a probe, an orbiter, a lander, and a rover? Each serves a unique role in our quest to understand the universe. In this video, we'll break it down for you. A space probe is an unmanned spacecraft designed to travel beyond Earth's orbit to collect data from other celestial bodies or the space between them. Probes are equipped with instruments to study their targets, such as planets, comets, or the interstellar medium. Notable examples include the Voyager 1 and 2 probes that have ventured far beyond our solar system, transmitting data from the interstellar medium. The Parker Solar Probe, on the other hand, is studying the Sun's outer corona, coming closer to our star than any spacecraft in history. An orbiter is a type of spacecraft specifically designed to enter and remain in orbit around a celestial body. Its mission is to study the target over an extended period, capturing detailed data about the surface, atmosphere, and environment. For instance, the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter has been studying Mars since 2006, uncovering evidence of water. NASA's Juno mission orbits Jupiter, providing us with breathtaking images and valuable scientific insights. A lander is a spacecraft designed to descend and make contact with the surface of a celestial body. Unlike orbiters, landers focus on studying surface conditions, such as soil composition, temperature, and seismic activity. The Apollo lunar module delivered astronauts to the moon, marking humanity's first steps on another world. Viking 1 was the first successful Mars lander, analyzing the Martian soil. More recently, Chandrayaan-3's Vikram lander made history by successfully landing near the moon's south pole. A rover is a mobile robotic vehicle that can move across the surface of a celestial body, often deployed from a lander. Rovers are equipped to travel short distances, conduct experiments, and explore diverse terrains. On Mars, the Perseverance and Curiosity rovers are studying the planet's geology and searching for signs of ancient life. Meanwhile, on the Moon, China's Yutu-2 rover, deployed during the Chang'e 4 mission, is exploring the far side of the lunar surface. So, to recap, probes travel far and wide to collect data. Orbiters circle planets to gather long-term observations. Landers touch down to study surfaces up close. Rovers explore terrain with mobility. Each plays a crucial role in advancing our understanding of space. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Astro Academia for more insights into the universe. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep looking up.